Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume chaga mushroom. First, understand that chaga is a powerful natural fungus, often found on birch trees. It's not eaten raw but prepared in various forms to extract its beneficial properties. You can enjoy chaga as a warm tea, a concentrated extract, or a fine powder. Each method offers unique advantages for incorporating this superfood into your daily routine. Let's explore the best ways to prepare it. Preparing chaga tea is a popular method. Start by simmering chaga chunks in water for at least 2 to 4 hours, or even longer for a stronger brew. This slow process helps extract the valuable compounds. For a more potent option, consider a dual extraction tincture, which uses both hot water and alcohol to draw out a wider range of beneficial components. Always ensure your chaga is clean before preparation. When consuming chaga, moderation is key. A typical daily dose ranges from 1 to 3 grams of chaga powder or its equivalent in tea or extract. It's always wise to start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, especially blood thinners, please consult your doctor before adding chaga to your diet. Chaga is celebrated for its impressive health benefits, including strong antioxidant properties that help protect your cells. Many users report enhanced immune system support and reduced inflammation. It may also contribute to better gut health and overall well-being. Remember to check the description below for links to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Incorporating chaga into your routine can be a wonderful step towards a healthier lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.